The rain was falling softly over the glowing city streets when Daniel Carter stepped out of his sleek black car. To the world, Daniel was the powerful CEO of a billion-dollar tech empire, a man whose name appeared in magazines and business headlines every week. But tonight, as he walked through the crowded street after a long meeting, his mind felt strangely heavy. Success had given him everything: wealth, fame, luxury, but there was still a quiet emptiness in his heart that no amount of money seemed to fill. As he passed a dim alley beside a small cafe, something caught his eye. A woman was sitting against the cold brick wall, her clothes worn and dirty, holding two small children close to her as if trying to protect them from the cold wind. People walked past them without even looking. Daniel almost continued walking too, until the woman slowly lifted her head. For a moment, his entire world froze. Those eyes, he recognized them instantly. "Emily," he whispered in disbelief. The woman blinked, confused, and then her eyes widened in shock. It had been more than 15 years since high school, but Daniel could never forget Emily Parker, the girl he had quietly admired every single day back then. She had been kind, brilliant, and full of dreams. But seeing her here, homeless and exhausted, with two frightened little kids clinging to her, shattered his heart. Emily tried to hide her face in embarrassment. "Daniel. I didn't expect anyone to recognize me like this," she said softly, her voice trembling. Daniel knelt down without hesitation, ignoring the rain soaking his expensive suit. "What happened to you?" he asked gently. Emily hesitated, tears forming in her eyes. Life, she explained, had taken cruel turns. She had married a man who promised her everything but abandoned her when things became difficult. Medical bills, lost jobs, and endless struggles had pushed her into a situation she never imagined. Now she was doing everything she could just to keep her children safe. Daniel looked at the two kids, thin, frightened, and clinging tightly to their mother. Something deep inside him shifted at that moment. Without another word, he stood up and said, "You're not staying here tonight." Emily tried to refuse, but Daniel simply smiled and opened his car door. Within an hour, Emily and her children were sitting inside one of the most luxurious penthouses in the city, wrapped in warm blankets while hot food was brought to the table. The children's eyes lit up with amazement, and Emily sat there in silence, still unable to believe what was happening. But Daniel wasn't finished. Over the next few weeks, he quietly arranged everything: safe housing, school for the kids, and even a job opportunity for Emily at one of his companies where her old talents could shine again. Slowly, hope returned to her life. The woman who once sat in that cold alley began smiling again. Months later, during a charity event, Daniel stood on stage and shared a powerful message: sometimes the greatest success isn't measured in billions, but in the lives you choose to lift when the world turns its back on them. The audience erupted in applause, but Daniel's eyes searched the crowd until they found Emily and her children smiling proudly. That moment reminded him that kindness could change destinies. And if this story touched your heart even a little, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and join us for more powerful stories that remind us how one act of compassion can change someone's entire world.